A construction foreman noticed something wrong with the steel beams being delivered to his job site. They were too thin, too weak. The building would collapse within years. He could have stayed quiet, kept his high-paying job, fed his family. Instead, he called the safety inspector that same day. He was fired within a week, blacklisted from every major construction company in the city. But the investigation uncovered a massive cover-up. Hundreds of lives were saved. Today, he runs his own safety consulting firm. He earns twice what he made before. Sometimes losing everything is how you find yourself.